Hello, today I'll show you how to toggle on or off dynasty named countries in Crusader Kings III. Some countries can have unique names based on the dynasty that rules them. Those countries can usually be found in India, in the Middle East, or in the north. Eastern north of the map. To do so, simply open the settings by pressing this button right here, or by pressing the escape button and the settings button while inside the game. Then make sure you are in the game section and scroll down to the flavor subsettings. You can here change the dynasty named realms. As you can see, some cultures will name their primary title after the dynasty, for example the Abbasids. You can toggle this on or off, and then when you're happy, press OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.